Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. Welcome to the Great Should Investing channel. Let's go get it. Let's get it. Welcome. Welcome to the Great Should Investing channel. My name is Akin Famar, and I'm excited to be here as always. Today is December the 11th, 2020. One more day to 12/12/2020. 12/12/20, which is December 12th, is going to be an exciting day in the digital space, in the cryptocurrency market, especially for XRP. Tomorrow, the 12th, is when there will be the airdrop, the Flare Network airdrop for the Spark tokens. So what does that mean? For those of you that have XRP and you have those XRP on participating exchanges or wallets, you would receive one-to-one equivalent. So if you have 10 XRP in participating exchanges or wallets, you will receive sometime in 2021 one Spark tokens. So if you have 10, you will receive 10. So it's one-to-one. If you have 1,000 XRP, you will be receiving 1,000 Spark tokens after the snapshot tomorrow. So what that means is tomorrow on those participating exchanges, the snapshot will capture how many XRP that you have in those participating exchanges or wallets. And on the day where the actual airdrop is going to show up in those exchanges, you will have a same equivalent of the total number of XRP you have as Spark tokens. Currently, we don't know the value of those Spark tokens when they eventually drop into those exchanges for you, but I believe it's going to worth something in the future. So I'm excited for that. But today, this is my website, The Great Shield & Co. You can go on here. I have some services here. I do take classes and appointments. For those of you that want more information, it's thegreatshield.org. And I'm excited today as always. This is also, this is a Brave browser. I use Brave browser. It's also another blockchain technology in the digital space. As I'm using this Brave browser, I'm earning some cryptocurrency. So you see Brave rewards. I will be getting what is called the BAT token, BAT token, every time I use this. And it's a very, very beautiful browser. So why would I not use something that I'm also earning on? So guys, I will show you BAT token on the exchange crypto listing websites. I like to use CoinMarketCap and Coin Paprika. The reason I use both of them is because they have different tools on them. So this is CoinMarketCap. Let's see how the crypto market has been doing in the last 24 hours to 7 days. Things has been coming down a little bit. Bitcoin was close to hitting 20,000 a few days ago, but now we can see the retracement. Bitcoin has actually moved below 18 grand in the last few hours, but it's trying to bounce back. The number one crypto asset on CoinMarketCap is Bitcoin, which is number one, which is about $18,030. So to see the performance, everything is in red. The crypto market never goes up continuously. What goes up comes down, goes up, it comes down. You just know when to get in and also know when to buy more when the market comes down. So this is a buying opportunity for me. I'm not recommending this as investment advice to you. You have to do your own due diligence, do your research, and make your decision. So this is more of an educational and informational YouTube video that I do for my company, The Great Shield Consulting. So if you need to make your own investment decisions, you have to do your own due diligence. Number two on the list is Ethereum. I'm excited for Ethereum. I believe 548 is a good opportunity for me to buy more. XRP, which is number 3. I'm an evangelist for XRP. I love this project. And tomorrow we'll see what the market does, how they react to the Spark token airdrop tomorrow, the snapshot for the Flare network snapshot for the Spark tokens. We might see some move up in the price of XRP, and that could also spark and make some of the altcoins move up as well. This is a good price. XRP in the last few days was actually over 70 cents, and now it's back. Today it was as low as 50 cents. Now it's going back up. In the last 7 days, it's down for about 7.81%. And let's keep going down. Chainlink is another good one that I like. Cardano is a good one. They're all down in double digits percentage. This is a good buying opportunity. And I want to show you the BATS token for the Brave browser, which I use, and show you what number it's sitting at on client market cap. This is BAT token. It's about 20 cents, 21 cents right now. It's also down about 12.8% in the last 7 days. This is BAT token. This is the web browser. You see that? This is the logo right here, the icon. That's my account. I have a wallet in there, and if you go on here, the same logo right here. So I'm earning as I'm using the Brave browser. So, all right, let's jump into the story of today. I'm going to show you about 3 or 4 articles. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I'm excited for 2021. Brad Garlinghouse, if you don't know what that Brad Garlinghouse is the CEO of Ripple Network, RippleNet. And RippleNet is behind this crypto project, which is XRP. So Brad Garlinghouse said sometime in 2020, he said year 2020 is the year of the crypto. Well, a lot of people didn't understand what he was saying. He also mentioned that a lot of banks will custody cryptocurrency. He said they will custody Bitcoin and some other digital assets. He was right. So let's get into it. So the first article I'm going to show you today is about Wells Fargo. And I will go back in time to show you some things about Wells Fargo and what the institutional investors are actually doing right now, because they don't want to be left behind. They see what this technology is all about and how other companies and other institutional investors are getting into this. So this is an article that came out. Wells Fargo Investment Institute report compares Bitcoin to the 1850s gold rush. On Monday, the U.S. bank Wells Fargo, wholly owned subsidiary and registered investment advisor, the Wells Fargo Investment Institute published an investment strategy with a page dedicated to the crypto asset Bitcoin. The Institute's contributing author and head of real asset strategy, John Lafort, compared crypto investing to the early days of the 1850s gold rush. I'm not going to go into all this, but you can see all banks, not all, but most of the major big banks, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, JP Morgan, they're all jumping into Bitcoin and some good altcoins. So cryptocurrency has come to stay. It's not going anywhere. And if I do see these where all these big banks are talking about Bitcoin and other crypto assets, it's an indication that 2021 will also be actually a year of the crypto, but in a bigger way. Brad said 2020 is the year of the cryptocurrency, and we can see that happening in December. Another article here that I would like to show you is this one, Bitwise. And you can see all these big names, big companies, they are jumping on this. So Bitwise lists its crypto index fund on OTC market, over-the-counter markets, shares tradable via brokerage account. Meaning, if you're familiar with Grayscale GBTC, which also has heavily invested in Bitcoin, and most institutional investors can have exposure to the crypto market. If they don't want to go into buying and trading these digital assets by themselves, they can buy GBTC which is a good way. So Bitwise has also done the same thing, which is for institutional investors or even over the counter. You and me can go on there through, say, E-Trade or TD Ameritrade and also buy into this. If you don't want to buy directly Bitcoin or Ethereum, but you can buy the index. Have about 10 until now. The Bitwise 10 crypto index fund was available, but now see it's not available over the counter right now for everyone. And the symbol for that, let me see, it's BITW. If you want to buy that, the index fund shares will have a ticker symbol of BITW, and it has 10 large cap cryptocurrency. This website keeps timing me out, but I can show you the percentage of what they have in their index fund. I think Bitcoin has about 70 to 75% share of the index fund. Let me show you that. Yeah, right here, 75% Bitcoin and about 13% Ether, which is Ethereum, with the remaining 12% allocated across XRP. XRP is in there, Litecoin, Chainlink, Tezos, and other cryptocurrencies. So this is a good indication that 2021 will also be a big year, even a bigger year for cryptocurrency. This is Grayscale that I was talking about. They also offer index-like fund called Digital Large Cap. So look into that. And then this article here is also an indication that 2021 is going to even be a bigger year for cryptocurrency. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to provide information and more of an educational material for you if you're just getting to know about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies generally. So this is another article that I want to share. Bitcoin's intrinsic value will rise in the coming months, while gold may struggle as institutional investors flock to crypto. This is an article by JP Morgan. So I'm not going to read that. This is another indication. I just showed you what Wells Fargo is doing. This is another article from JP Morgan. These are big institutional banks. JP Morgan strategy said on Tuesday that gold will suffer in the long term as more institutional investors adopt Bitcoin. Don't sleep on this. Do what they do, not what they say. You remember sometime a few years ago, the JP Morgan CEO, Jimmy Dimon, said Bitcoin is fraud and things like that. But now they're reversing their statement. They are actually jumping on the bandwagon. They don't want to be left behind. So you can see what I'm talking about. So big banks are getting into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. You should do your homework. And the last one, this actually was, I want to show you this because you can see the move. This was from February of 2020 this year. Wells Fargo backs a startup company that helps bank manage cryptocurrency risks. You can see they knew what was coming. They knew what they were going to do towards the end of the year. So they already invested in February of 2020 when the whole market was crashing on a startup company that will manage cryptocurrency risks. So they knew then that they were going to get into these things, but they want to have the risk management around this. And they already invested in this startup company with investment of 23 million in Series B funding. Elliptic is known for its analysis tools, which are used to help cryptocurrency platforms find and block illicit transactions. So these banks are coming in. They are going to get into Bitcoin. They're going to get into cryptocurrency, but they also want to have security and have how to put controls in place. So they will spend a lot of money to make sure that
I've got a pen that can write underwater.
In the institutional money.
Write other words too.
Oh, sorry about that. That's my iPhone acting up here. So guys, don't sleep on this. This is going to be it's going to be a very interesting 2021. I'm excited for what's to come, guys. Do your own research. This is just for informational and educational purposes. I'm not an investment advisor. So before you put your money in any assets, be sure to do your own research and due diligence. I'm excited for 2021. So guys, tomorrow, XRP snapshot for Spark tokens will happen tomorrow, and I'm excited for the value that's going to bring to XRP in the digital asset cryptocurrency asset overall, altcoins generally. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So guys, be safe out there, stay safe, and be sure to like my video, give me some thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to my channel, The Great Shit Investing Channel. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye.